Pickzone Pipe Bobo Drain Unclogger is a household drain cleaner. It is designed to clear blockages in kitchen sinks, shower drains, bathtubs, and other pipes. The brand claims it can dissolve over 200 types of clogs. This includes grease, hair, and soap buildup. They also say it restores smooth water flow and helps kill bacteria, keeping drains fresh and clean. But the real question is, does it actually work? Or is it just another overhyped product? Let's find out together. Let's start with the positive side. One good thing we noticed is that this product is listed on Amazon. That already gives it some credibility. To be sold on Amazon, products must meet certain requirements. This makes it feel slightly more reliable. Being on a trusted platform also allows customers to read real user reviews, which helps people make a better decision. Another positive point is its purpose. The product is made to break down common household clogs, such as hair, food waste, meat particles, and seasonings. It also explains how waste breaks down inside the pipe. This helps users understand how the product works. The usage instructions are simple and easy to follow. No complicated steps, no tools required. This makes it suitable for regular home use. We also notice that the usage steps are clearly explained. The process looks normal and straightforward. You just follow the steps, wait for the recommended time, and let the product do its job. This makes it feel user-friendly, especially for everyday drain maintenance. Now, let's talk about the user reviews. On Amazon, the product has around a 3.3-star rating. The reviews are mixed. Some users had good experiences, others were disappointed. On the positive side, several buyers said it worked well for hair clogs, especially in bathroom sinks. Some mentioned it worked after multiple applications. A few reviewers even called it reliable and felt it was worth the price. On the negative side, many customers said it didn't work as advertised, especially for tough or long-standing clogs. Some users used multiple bottles, with little to no improvement. Eventually, they had to call a plumber. Another common complaint was the packaging. The instructions were extremely small, hard to read. This caused confusion and led to improper use. Because of these issues, some buyers felt it was a waste of money. So, what's the final verdict? Pickzone Pipe Bobo Drain Unclogger appears to be legitimate, but it is not consistent. It may work for minor clogs, like hair or light buildup, but for serious blockages, it may not be very effective. Overall, this product seems better suited for basic maintenance, rather than heavy drain problems. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.